Hi everyone, this is Michaela from Divaco Group. So welcome to our channel. Today our topic is to discuss the customized installation business next year. So according to the market data, and we got the information that about this part business is not very good for next year. Because of the pandemic reasons, there is not too much housing decoration or the construction this year. There is no orders to connect. For next year, there is not too much installation projects, so there is not too much payment back. Therefore, many manufacturers are very pessimistic about next year, about the sales volumes are very lower than 50% next year. So how can sales survive in this difficult market or even have the better sales volume? What is our strategy? Our sales strategy is to introduce a full range products range and to drive other product lines. So next year we introduce the 100 large screen speakers. This is our entry level high volume products. So these products can help you expand the market quickly and also to drive other products line. So these products can help you to drive middle or to move to middle high-end market. I'm wondering whether you have ever heard the Klipsch's reference Premier Hour series. Our 100 large screen speakers are same to Klipsch's this reference on all. So next, I'd like to display some pictures comparison for your better understanding. Our 100 series large screen speakers same to the reference on wall series of Klipsch from the picture, and all are for products, and both black cabinets and brush Cooper woofers and metal tweeters. The outstanding appearance features are all with ultra narrow and ultra slim cabinet. The most important thing is that works with large screen TV. So this is very competitive product. Therefore, our 100 series about the market position or Twitter and offers configuration and the appearance style is almost the same as Klipsch, and you can see the comparison one by one. SAT3 is benchmark Klipsch RP140D. LCRS3 is same like RP240D. CICCOL3 is same like Klipsch's RP640. RP440D SB is benchmarked RCIC 100LS3, but they have the following differences. RP440D SB is a soundbar, but for our 100LS3 product is the large screen speakers. The biggest problem of soundbar is that the limit of its left and right channels is from 1 meter to 1.2 meters. However, the sound field range of our 100 LS3 large screen sound is unlimited. If the TV is about 45 inch or 60 inch, and the TV is about 1 meter wide, so it is okay to use the soundbar because the soundbar sound field is about 1 to 1.2 meters. But if the TV screen is bigger, it's about 88 inches, so the wide is about 1.8 meters. For this situation, certainly soundbar is not suitable because we mentioned that the soundbar sound field is about 1 to 1.2. If the soundbar wants a wider sound field, it can use the DSP to stimulate, but the effect is not very good. So this is why many people don't buy soundbar. However, our 100 LS3 can completely solve the problem of too narrow sound field for soundbar with the TV sets above 65 inches. So our solution is to hang the two speakers on the left and right sides of the TV, so the sound field range is the distance between the two speakers. So we can achieve the sound field we want according to the size of the TV. The third differences between our products with Klipsch is that soundbar is easily to cause the sound of the screen with the soundbar is out of sync, so resulting in poor viewing effect. which is a relatively limited acoustic problem. Our 100LS3 can completely solve the problem of the inconsistent picture and sound. When the size of the TV screen is relatively small, such as 50 centimeters, when the soundbar is placed in the center of the lower part of the TV screen, the distance between the soundbar and the center of the TV screen is 20 centimeters. So at this time, you cannot hear whether the voice comes from the screen or from the soundbar. But if a 100-inch TV, the screen is about 2 meters wide and 1.4 meters high. If the soundbar is placed in the center of the lower part of the screen, the distance between the soundbar and the center of the screen at this time is about 70 to 80 centimeters. So this time you will obviously hear the voice is coming from the soundbar and not from the screen. The picture and the sound do not come from the same place, which causes to the poor watching movie feeling. Our 100LS3 can completely solve the problem to make the sound of the soundbar and the large screen TV coming from the same place. The most perfect installation height is that to make the face call in the middle of the speaker is aligned with the center of the TV screen wide. At this time, the voice coming from the bottom of the screen center and the surround from the center of the screen, so that the sound and the picture can coming from same place and same time to make us have the perfect watching movie feeling. In addition, we use MDF hi-fi cabinet, then add brushed aluminum veneer to the MDF surface. But Klipsch use plastic cabinet, and of course, our sound quality will be better. The most important thing is that the thickness of our MDF cabinet is thinner than that of Klipsch plastic cabinet. Klipsch is about 6.5 centimeters and we are 5.3 centimeters. Based on the 3.5-inch woofer, our 100 series is the thinnest and narrowest design in the world. We can notice that Klipsch used the silver tweeter, and because this is our last generation samples, in our actual production, we will change the silver color into golden. So it means golden tweeter. And the brush cooper matched with the golden tweeter very perfectly. If hanging on the left hand side of the TV and look very high profile, expensive, fashion, and classy. Next, let's take a look about our 100 series. We adapted the breakthrough technology and the competitors can't catch up with. Let's take a look. First, in order to pursue the very slim shape, so we have very complex structure internal of this cabinet, and it spent us almost 1 year to research and study, finally succeed. The internal of this sameness cabinet is into 3 sections, so it is rare in the market to design such complex crossover on the passive product. Our wonderful 100LS3 products has magic 3 channels. You can see here. When we turn to 2.5, the 3 sections is the independent channel, and when we turn to 1.5, the up 2 sections combine 1 channel, and this is 1 channel. When we combine to 1, and the 3 sections is combined to totally 1 channel. In order to make the smooth working operation to match with amplifier, so we add many complex circuits internal of this cabinet. This is also our exclusive design point in this industry. Competitors are harder to imitate, so if they want to meet our standards, they have to invest much capital cost, and finally the product is more expensive than us, or they fail to achieve this technology and finally give up. About the soundbar woofer, we all know that there are 2, 3.5, and 4 inches. Of course, the 3.5 is the best seller because the volume of this cabinet with the sound quality has the best balance point. And the middle and low range is more elastic and more dynamic. For the 2 inches, It is indeed more narrower and thinner than the 3.5 inches woofer, but the sound quality is very poor because there is no high and low frequency. The middle range is also very hard. It is only suitable for to see big dynamic movie, but to express the detail of the sound quality or to see some TV gram, the effect is very poor. And for the 4-inch soundbar, it is too large and is not suitable for to match with the large screen TV. Therefore, 3.5 inches woofer is the best size. Our 100 series is also use 3.5 inches. So based on this size, what innovations or breakthrough we have made on these products and the competitors is impossible to imitate. And first, we can see our products. Our 100 series is thinnest products in the world based on 3.5 inches. And we think every ways to save the space in the internal structure. So in competitors, it is impossible to make thinner products than us. Next point, our 100 series is the narrowest products in this world. We can see here is decoration ring here, and the left and the right is cut to form a flat structure. This is also only designed by us to make these products more slim. Therefore, the thickness and width of our 100 series based on 3.5 inches woofer reached limited. So according to the professional industrial knowledge, competitors can't design more thinner and narrower products than us based on 3.5 inches woofer. Next, we can see that the tweeter is a deep horn structure, not a shallow shape. The deep horn structure enhances the directivity of the sound projected forward from the speaker. And we can see that the woofer has a face cone designed for the bullet. The bullet is designed for refract the sound field formed by the woofer in the process of vibration into a direct front projection by the face cone, so as to enhance the directivity of the woofer and improve the clarity of the sound. For our 100 series, we use the aluminum magnesium combined together to match with the brush cooper. So because this is our last generation samples, before mass production, we will change the silver color into golden color. And next, we will change the bullet size more narrower to make it more perfect. Next, for our 100 series, we can see here also have the mounting hole and the terminal ears. And also, our 100 series also have the metal base for the tabletop mounting. So it is very flexible. So in conclusion, our 100 wonderful series has the following values. The first is that true hi-fi level sound quality, and based on the 3-inch woofer, it is a thin and ultra-narrow cabinet in the world. Frequency division design and hi-fi MDF cabinet with brushed aluminum veneer craft. And the sound field is as wide as the screen. The most important that they can bring the best movie effect to our audience because the middle sound and the TV screen are come from the same point. And 100 series has the magic function is that can sing and watch movies together. And the good tweeter matches the color of the brush cooper, which is very beautiful, elegant, and classy. So most important that, of course, our 100 series is more competitive price system, and our customers have a huge profit space. Also, we have the special designed AVR Mini and AVR Mini Mac power amplifiers for use the large screen speakers, which is the smallest power amplifier in the world. It is also more fashionable and modern. It is our mini version of AVR 590, which can be controlled by remote control without buttons. So our 100 series have officially released in the market. If you are interested in our products, you can leave comments below and or contact our salesman. See you next time. That's all for today. Bye bye.